Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to prepare this part in Autodesk Inventor software. The base dimension is 110/75, thickness is 25 mm, and also one more L-shaped flange, height is 80 mm, thickness is 20 mm. Friends, I am requesting you to all, please do subscribe my channel and support me to do the more videos. Select 2D sketch, select plane, select line, give the dimensions, this is 110, this is 80 plus 25, 105 mm. Again select line, 25, this is 110 minus 20, 90 mm. Sketch is fully constrained, finish sketch, select extrude, select mid plane, 75 mm. Next there is a chamfer 18 into 18, select chamfer, select here D into D, 18, select the edges, apply. Next there is one cutout, overall length is 35 mm, height is 14 mm and 60 degree. Select this surface, sketch, select line, select this line, give vertical constraint and select same line, change it into construction, select symmetric, this is 35 mm and height is 14 mm and here to here 60 degree. Finish sketch, select extrude. I think this sketch has some open points, yes. Select extend, extend this, that's it. Finish sketch, select extrude, reverse the direction, select through hole, OK. Next there is a 15 mm rib. For that select plane, sketch, select line, give the dimensions, .75 and 50 mm. .75, 50. Finish sketch, select rib, thickness we want 15 mm. Okay. That's it, friends. Assign the material here. I will go with aluminum 6061 and I will give the finish aluminum polished or I will go with aluminum polished only. Save the part. So that's it, friends. If you like this session, please do subscribe my channel and support me. Thanks for watching this session, friends.